Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to change your profile picture in Windows 11 PC. For this, first click on this one Start button, then click on Settings option. In the Settings window, click on this one Accounts category in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll down to Account Settings section and click on this one option Your Info. Now you can take a image from your camera, or otherwise, in case you have saved any image and you want to use as a profile picture on your Windows 11 PC, click on this one Browse Files button beside Choose a File option. Now navigate from this one left panel and select your image. Then click on this one Choose Picture button. This will immediately change your profile picture. This will be visible in the Start menu, and you can also this will be also visible in the Settings app.